So let me show you how to turn on mobile hotspot on the Redmi Note 15 Pro. So you want to go into settings. Under settings, go to portable hotspot, and then this is where you can turn mobile hotspot on. Now once you turn it on, of course, you can go to setup portable hotspot, check out the network name, and you can see the password in plain text. All right. So that's one way to do it. I'm going to turn it off and show you an even simpler way of doing it. Now, an easier way of doing it should be from the control center. So you just swipe down and turn it on from here. But if you don't have the hotspot icon here, you can simply tap on edit and then look for the hotspot icon from the extra options that you have. Here it is. So you can tap on plus. It's going to get added to your list. Now you can tap on the check mark, and now you can have a hotspot icon here, and you can simply turn on hotspot just like that, as simple as that. And you can turn it off again from here. Thanks for watching, and good luck.